Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my everyday makeup look when I have a little bit more extra time and being a little bit extra. To start off, I always moisturize my skin, and today I will be using the Innisfree gel cream, and then for primer I will be using the Too Faced Hangover X, and this is going to help our makeup last long for a long day of work. For foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation in shade 220, and I am going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. Let's be honest, no one goes to sleep at 9 o'clock and get the 7 hours of sleep, so the dark circles are out. To cover the dark circles, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Creamy Beige, and this is great for my dark circles, especially for like a quick and easy fix. I love it. And I'm going to blend that out with my beauty sponge as well, because hello, that's what we have on hand already. We are trying to do this quick, okay? Setting our makeup is key, so to set the rest of my face, I will be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in shade 220. To conceal my concealer, I will be using the Wet n Wild in shade Dulce de Leche, and this is like my usual routine. I always do this, and this helps my makeup last more than 10 hours, even going to the gym. I know, crazy. To being a little bit extra already, I am going to contour my face just a little bit, and for my cheeks I will be using the blush from Milani in shade Tea Rose, and for my highlight I will be using the Milani Day Glow Strobe Light. To brush my brushy eyebrows, that actually rhymed, I will be using the Milani Brow Drama Gel, and then for my actual eyebrows I will be using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder, and I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows because again, we don't have time, okay? And to set that in place and for my eyebrows to last a long time, again I'm going to apply the Brow Drama Gel on top of it. And we're looking like a panda right now, I will be using my L'Oreal LA palette Nude Intense, and I will be picking the shade number 8, and I'm going to quickly apply that with my fingers, nothing fancy. This is seriously my go-to look when I have meetings and I have a bunch of people to meet. Hey, I'm not a morning person. Give me those 5 extra minutes. I will take them to sleep. I usually do not curl my lashes like every day, but I did today. So for mascara, I will be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Waterproof Mascara. And this is pretty good. I actually like it. You just have to apply a few, up to like 20 coats of mascara to see results. I am obviously exaggerating, but yeah, just take your time. You know, mascara can be tricky from time to time. Because it's winter time and my lips are crusty, to apply some chapstick. I always do this in the morning, afternoon, and night. I can't live without this. For my lips, I will be using the Maybelline New Lipstick, and this is in shade Lover. And to finish up the look, I will be spraying some rose water, and this is so refreshing, especially in the morning. And we are done. I hope you enjoy this look, and if you're not a morning person, give it a try, and I will see you on my next video.